What's going on, everyone? Seth, Miranda here, coming in from my studio in Manhattan, and I'm here with another quick tip. This time with backdrops once again, but we're gonna talk about taping them down and saving you a tripping hazard, especially if you're someone that runs a lot of extension cords around. Now, you're gonna think this is pretty common sense, and some of you old school studio guys are definitely gonna be like, duh. But there's people that have been raised on battery powered lights and not running a lot of extension cords, and this is just kind of a set safety thing and also very helpful and useful. So the first thing, you roll down your backdrop how you want it. You tape down the two sides vertically, like along the side of the paper so that it gets a nice anchor point. And then what you're basically gonna do is if you're running an extension cord like this, think of this. You have a horizontal line you're gonna tape down anyway. So give yourself enough lead on either side of the extension cord and then tape it down with the paper like this. And just like that, you're gonna keep the your extension cord taut, and you're also gonna keep your tape pretty taut. So just like taping down a cable in general, except you're doing it with the paper in one shot. So it'll save you a tripping hazard. It'll save you some extra gaff tape. That's expensive. I'm using 2-inch tape. So that's usually standard for taping down lines. If this was a high traffic set, or maybe if I just wanted to be super safe, I'd run another strip right in front of it so that it has a little more bite to the floor. But other than that, you saved yourself some headache with the extension cord. Everybody's safe and happy. And let me know if this was useful. I'll keep doing more of these quick tips. If you want to help this channel out though, hitting like definitely helps out. Drop me a subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I put up more videos like this. So let me know down in the comments if you guys have any tips you'd want me to jump into or something you're having trouble with. I'll see what I can come up with, or if I have something I can film really quick, I'll do it. You can follow me at Last X Witness on all social. Check my work on Instagram, yell at me on Twitter, all that kind of stuff. But until the next time, check out the rest of this channel. There's a bunch of quick tips, a lot of live shoots so you can see things happening in front of your face. And yeah, I guess that's it. I will see you guys next time. Later.